This conference
Yeah,
will
tell
now
me.
be recorded.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, just before you start, I just wanted to know regarding the examination and the whether whether we'll be having any assignments.
Yeah. So obviously we'll be having assignments. So practical assignments, theoretical assignments, everything I'm going to give you. Okay. So, but it is in the later classes. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
this
will
one
there be?
about the exams. Yeah,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me.
No, ma'am.
So
Please
about the
continue.
exams. Ah, about the exams, I will let you know. Okay, so there might be usually multiple choice questions or some objective or subjective, it might be. So about that, I will let you know later.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. So in this, so you'll be having 14 types of paste. So this is nothing but the paste special options. So that's nothing but the paste as formulas and number formatting, keep source formatting, then borders without borders, keep source column width, and then the paste as transpose, paste as values and the number formatting, values and source formatting. Then other paste options, that's nothing but formatting, paste as link. So and then paste as picture, and then paste as linked picture. Okay, so many types are there in this paste special options. So now today, so let us discuss about the clipboard. So have I taught you about this clipboard? So clipboard in the sense, so you will be having the clipboard. So that means, so if you just click on this clipboard corner, so then automatically you will be getting this clipboard options. Okay, so now what we have to do is, so why we are having this option. Okay, so say for example, if I just type here as NICT. Okay, so and then here if I just type as computer. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll be copying this computer option, I mean the computer cell. Okay, so now what I will do is, so I will be copying this NICT also. Okay, so control C, copy. So now what will be pasted, which text will be pasted? If I
Ma'am,
want to paste, which one will be pasted?
ma'am, the NICT,
Yeah,
it's
tell
the
me.
last one ma'am, it'll be the NICT that will be the one which will be pasted because that was
Ah,
the
very
last
good.
one.
Ah, correct. Very good. Yes. So if I paste here, so only NICT will be pasted. So then where will it go? Like computer also, I copied in the previous time, but it doesn't paste computer word. Okay, so that's why there is a disadvantage in this. So whatever the things which we have copied previously will not be pasted. So whichever the things which we have copied recently, only those things will be pasted here. Okay, so that's why what we have to do is, so first thing we have to activate this clipboard. Okay, so just to click on this corner button, so then it will be copied here. Okay, so say for example, okay, so here in the B2 cell, if I just type here as NICT, and then if I type here as computer. Okay, so then what I'll do is, so I'll be copying this computer. See, everything has been recording here. So computer has been recording here. So and then here also NICT also will be recorded here. So now after I am coming to this particular cell, so now I wanted to paste this computer. Okay, so I wanted to paste this computer. So then as soon as I click on this particular word, so it will be pasted. Understanding? So whatever the things which we have copied previously, Okay, so earlier, whichever the things we have copied, so all the recordings available here will be available here. So and then you will be getting the particular paste. You can paste whichever the contents you have copied there.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
does it work even if you cut the particular word, like if you
Yeah,
cut
it
that
will work.
particular?
It will work. It will work. So if I just type here as education. Okay, so now I'll just use this cut option, so it will work. So obviously cut option and the copy option, so both it will be working. Okay, so like now this time I wanted to paste this education word, I mean the computer word, so then it will be pasted. But then I have to use education word, so then I can just click on this education, so everything will be getting recorded there in the clipboard option. Okay, in that particular clipboard it will be recorded, and from there not
Ma'am,
only it will be. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, but the whole point of cutting is that it
Hmm.
will be removed from that particular cell and it will be moved to another particular cell, right? But when
Yeah,
we are
yeah, yeah.
using, while we are doing,
Clipboard
so
option.
suppose you,
Hmm.
yeah, when clipboard option, it doesn't really cuts, but it just copies, right?
Yes, obviously, yes. So why? Because I have opened this clipboard option, so then only it will be using like that. So not only it will be pasted in the Excel. Okay, so if I use the Word also, so now I just open MS Word. Okay, so in this MS Word, if I open this clipboard, so the same option will be available in this clipboard, I mean in this Word. I can even paste this in the MS Word also. Okay, that is the advantage of this clipboard here. Okay, say for example MS Office products are Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all. So whichever the office product, if you just open, so there wherever you have the clipboard options and all, if you just open, so all the cut options, all the copied contents will be available there. So from there you can paste it. Okay, so that is very advantage for us. Understood, no? So then shall
Ma'am,
I move
can
on
you
to the.
repeat the part where we do like copy paste in like different cells? The I got a little bit confused, ma'am.
Yeah, so just click on this particular cell. So now click on this copy. Okay, so copy. So and then if you just click on the paste, so many times it get pasted. Okay, so many times it get pasted. But okay, but after that, if I just copy this education word, so now it will be pasted only the education word. So where should I get this NICT word? So that's why I will just open this clipboard option. So if I just open this clipboard again, I'll be getting this NICT word. So how many times I want, I can use that. As soon as I click on this, so the copied content I can just go on pasting like that. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ah. So that is about the clipboard option. So the next thing I will go to the next sheet. So then I will just type some content here. So now I'll just type here some small data. Okay, so this data, if I just select this data, So and then if I just move this, so see, can so I'm just moving this. So what you have to do, so you have to select the whole data, so and then place the cursor in the corner of this so outline, and then you will be getting four black points here. Okay, so use this and you can just drag over here. So can you see now? So wherever I want, I can just copy and paste it. 1 minute.
Ma'am, could you please,
Yeah.
ma'am, could you please repeat that again?
Okay. So now here, what I wanted to do is, so now this the data was in the A B cells, right? A B columns. So now from these two columns, I wanted to move the data. Okay, so I don't want to cut, paste, copy, paste, and all. Okay, so just I wanted to move the data from A B columns to the E F columns. So then what I have to do is, so first you just select and drag. Okay, I mean click and drag so that the data will be selected. Okay, so now what you have to do, so you have to place the cursor in the corner. So that means in the outline of the selected content. Okay, so now you will be getting four dots. Can you see that those four dots there? So if you just place the cursor in the outline, so then
Yes, ma'am.
automatically you will be getting that. Okay, so now place the cursor on the corner, so and then you can just drag it wherever you want. So this is about the thing. So now, understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next it is about the font group. So from this font group, you can just click on this corner, and then obviously you can make the changes of the font style. Okay, so font style. So the default font style will be Calibri. Okay, the default font style will be Calibri, and then there this is about the font size. So the default font size is 11. Okay, the default font size is 11. Okay, so now the minimum font size is 8. Okay, so and then the maximum font size is 409. Okay, so in excel this is applicable only for the excel, not for any other word or powerpoint and all. Okay, so the minimum font size is 1 and the maximum font size is 409. So it is displaying on the screen, you can just see that. Understanding? And the default font size is 11. Okay, so from here also you can just change, I mean increase the font size here. So and then this is about decreasing the font size. Okay, so this is about the bold, this is italic, and then this is the underline. Okay, so again if you just click on that, so those options will be deactivated. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so in this underline, so you are having the corner option. So if you just click on this, so you'll be getting two types of underlines. So one is single underline and the other is double underline. Okay, so if you just click on this, so the double underline you will be getting. Understood?
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again?
Yeah. So now you just select this. So and then you will be having underline. So if you just click on this corner, okay, so you will be having underline. So underline corner, if you just click on this, so then you will be having two types of underlines. So one is underline and the other is double underline. So this is nothing but the single underline. Okay, so then this is nothing but the double underline. So two underlines you will be getting like that. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so now this is about the color. So whichever the color you want, so the particular font style, I mean the font color, you can apply here. Okay, so you can apply the font color. So and then this is about the highlightation. Okay, so in whichever the color you want, you can apply this highlightation here. Okay, like that. So for a single cell also you can highlight. Say now this is about 95. 95 is the highest score. So this one I can just highlight it like that. Okay, so this is about the highlightation here. So if I don't want, so if I just click on this corner and then I'll click on this no fill here. So then the color will be deactivated. Okay, so now the same thing, the font style, font color, I will be selecting this black only. That means the automatic font color. So now I will just go to the print preview. Okay, so now tell me what is the shortcut key for print preview?
Control F2.
Ah, so control F2. So if I just select here, so now can you see? So can you make out this is an Excel file? This particular file has been made through the Excel. Can I make out that it is an Excel file after taking the printout?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Why? Why can't you make out that it is an Excel file?
Because there are no cells.
There are no cells. That
Cells.
means no columns and rows has been activated here, right? So that's why what you have to do is, so you have to select the particular cells. So and then here you are having the option that means the border. Okay, so border option you will be getting. So and then you just click on this corner. So and then click on this all borders here. Click on this all borders here. See now all the borders are activated here. Okay, all the borders are activated here. So now if you just press Ctrl F2, that means the print preview. So now can you see this? So
Excuse
now
ma'am,
you
can you
can make out.
repeat it again?
Yeah. So now what I will do is, first I'll be selecting the data how much ever I require. Okay, so then what I'll do, so I'll be selecting this, clicking on this corner. So and then I'll be clicking on this all borders. Okay, click on this all borders here. So now the borders will get activated all side borders. So now if I just press Ctrl F2, so now I can make out that it is prepared from the Excel file. Okay, so this is about the borders.
Yes.
Hmm. So now if I don't want to apply the border, so again select this, again click on the corner. Okay, again click on the corner, so and then click on no border here. Okay, so then the borders will be deactivated. Okay, so the next thing is about the subscript and the superscript. Okay, subscript and the superscript. So what is this subscript and the superscript? So while you are writing your address, that means 8th cross, second main road. Okay, so this a th, so what you have to do, so this th you have to select. Okay, so wait
Excuse me,
1 minute.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, could you please repeat that print and preview part?
Yeah, so what you have to do, so you have to select the data. Okay, so select the data and then activate the border. So that means you just click on the corner, so and then you click on this all borders here, so then the borders will be activated. Okay, so now press Ctrl F2. Okay, so Ctrl F2 is the shortcut key for print preview. So now the borders will be activated. Okay, so now again you just select the data. So now this time if you don't want to activate the border, so again click on this corner and again click on no border here, so then the borders will be deactivated. Now again press Ctrl F2. So now the borders has been deactivated here, like that. Understood, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ah. So now the next option is about the subscript. I will just explain here. Subscript means so in the chemical formula while we are writing, so H2O, P2SO4, all those chemical formulas we while we are writing. So that particular two. Okay, so that particular two is there. So this one it has to be applied below the baseline. Okay, so that has been applied below the baseline. Okay, so that's why what I have to do, so I have to type as usual H2O and then I have to select this only two. Okay, so I have to double click and then you have to select that. Okay, you have to double click and then you have to select only two. So and then you have to click on this corner, font settings. Okay, so just to click on this font settings, the shortcut key is Control Shift F. Okay, font settings, that is the shortcut key is Control Shift F.
Ma'am, can you type this in your notes just like how you did in the last class?
Yeah. So just to click on this, so now here you activate this subscript, so you are having this option here, subscript.
Ma'am,
So
what did
and
you
then you
tell?
click
What's the
on
shortcut?
Control Shift F. So wait, I will apply, I will put it in the notepad. So first what I did, so I did about the clipboard. Okay, so then I did about the font. Okay, so font settings, so that means, so then I applied this border, all borders. Okay, so the font settings, there is a shortcut key for that. this font settings. So that means Control Shift F. Okay, Control Shift F. Okay, so font settings, Control Shift F. So then I am explaining now about subscript. So and then I'm explaining about the superscript. So subscript is nothing but, so whenever you are writing H2O, superscript means, for example, uh, so 8th cross 2nd main road. So while you are writing the address,
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, I tried the superscript part, but it's coming down instead of it coming up, like in
no,
the
no,
top,
no.
the
I think
TH.
you have applied the subscript option. Okay, so subscript means it will be applying below the baseline. Superscript means it will be applying above the baseline. Okay, so I will show you about the superscript. So what you have to do, first you have to type there as 8, and then you have to type here as th. Okay, so now what you have to do, so you have to select this only th. So now go for this font corner, I mean the font settings option. So and then here, so here you activate the superscript option. Okay, superscript means above the baseline, subscript means below the baseline. Okay, so you activate the superscript. So and then click on OK. So now can you see? So I will just put here in the notepad. So subscript means, so it will appear below the baseline, below the baseline, and superscript means above the baseline.
Ma'am, can you show this in the Excel once more and explain it?
Um, 1 minute. So now what you have to do, so here I have to use H2O. Okay, so as usual you type H2O and you select only 2. Okay, you select only 2. So and then go for this corner. So that means Control Shift F. Okay, so Control Shift F, you just click on this corner. Okay, so now go for this subscript option. Okay, now go for the subscript option. So and then click on OK. So now can you see H2O? So the 2 has been appeared below the baseline. Okay, so in the same way you type here as 8th. Okay, 8, or this time I will use second, so ND. So this time I will use ND. Okay, so select this. So now it has to appear above that particular 2. So that's why what I have to do, so I have to select this corner. So click on this and then click on the subscript option. Sorry, superscript option. So and then click on
Excuse me,
OK.
ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what is this option called as strike through, ma'am?
Strike through, I will tell you. Strike through.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, okay, these two options have you understood, girls? Subscript and the superscript options.
Yes, ma'am.
So in your Excel files, if you wanted to type the particular addresses of your company, okay, respective company, so then it is very, very important. Okay, so while you are typing so many things like headings, okay, so and then the addresses if you wanted to type, so then that is very, very important.
Ma'am, what is strike through used for though?
Yeah, I will tell you. So strike through means, say now if you wanted to apply the discounts. Okay, so discount facilities, it has been required. Okay, so say for example, discounts in the sense. So now, for example, if you just see any other MRP, I mean the product's MRP. So if you just see there, um, 50 rupees. Okay, so now on that, you if you will be having one strikeout. Okay, so then you will be having here as 48. Okay, so you have seen on the product. Okay, so the price rate, whenever it is reduction in the price rate. Okay, so reduction in the product price, so then you will be having this strike through. So now you have to select this, so then go for this font settings. So and then you apply this strike through option, so and then click on OK. So now can you see this? So and then
So
even in the
basically,
discount offers also.
ma'am, so many shopkeepers used to put on sale, they'll scratch the above thing and then write this one.
Correct. So because the if it is appearing, so then customers will be more attractive and then they'll be coming to that product. So then the demand will be increasing, right? So that's why this strike through option will be used for. So if you just delete this option, I mean delete this, and then so and then if you just directly write here as 48, so then what is the use? So before it was 50, so who knows? So that's why they'll be mentioning 50 and then they'll be striking through and then they'll be writing there as 48, so that the customers will be attracted and the demand will be increasing. That's why. One minute. Yeah. So now this is understood about this. So this is the option of strike through.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So now, uh, no, no, I was muted. So that's why you couldn't hear me. So understood about the strike through.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. So this is about the strike through. Okay, so this one I have finished. So now alignment. So shall I go for the alignment group? Alignment group.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible and we couldn't hear you for a long time, ma'am.
Oh, is it? Wait, wait. Now my screen is visible. You can check.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. So then alignment shall I start? So after strike through, I'm using this alignment only. Alignment. Alignment group. Okay. So alignment group. So now here there are 6 types of alignments in this. Okay. So totally there are 6 types of alignments. Okay. So what are those? Top alignment, middle alignment. Okay. So and then bottom alignment, then left alignment, center alignment, then right alignment. Okay. Top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment. So then left alignment, center alignment, and the right alignment. So now here what I am doing is, so some text I am just putting here. Okay, so better I go to the next sheet. So now in this B2 cell, if
Excuse
I
me,
just
ma'am.
select
Can you
this,
get back to the notes, ma'am? A minute.
yeah, wait, wait.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Huh. So now from this, so you just drag this. So you just increase the width of the particular cell. So and then again you increase the height of the particular cell also. Okay. So now, okay, so this one you have written.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Okay. So now I have just increased the width of the cell and then I have increased the height of the cell here. Okay. So now what I have to do is, so now I'll just click on this alignment. So this is a top alignment. Okay. So this is center alignment and this is the bottom alignment. So within this particular cell only, the content or the text of the particular cell will be aligned. Okay, so this is the left alignment, this is the center alignment, and this is the right alignment, like that. So totally 6 types of alignments will be available in Excel. Okay, understood girls about the alignment?
Ma'am, can you explain and repeat it once again?
Yeah. So now what you have to do is, so now here in this B2 cell, so I'll just type here as NICT. Okay, so now what I will do, so I will increase this width of the particular cell. Then I will be increasing this height of the particular cell. Okay, so then width and height of the cells has been increased here. Okay, so now what I have to do is, so I have to activate the alignments here. So now I'll just click on this top alignment. So now it has been aligned to the top. So then this is about the middle alignment. Then this is about the bottom alignment. Okay, so now this is left alignment. So then this is the center alignment and this is the right alignment, like that. So totally there are 6 types of alignments in the Excel worksheet. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So now next it is about the orientation. Okay, so now orientation, NICT, computer, so then education. So everything I have typed in the different cells. So now what I have to do is, so I have to select this. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so this is about the thing. So next we will go for the orientation. See now, you write here. The next thing is about the text orientation. Okay, text orientation. So now here I have typed NICT computer education in different cells. Okay. So now what I have to do, so now I have to click on this corner. So and then I'll click on this angle counterclockwise. So now can you see, while whenever I type the particular heading, so then I can use this angle counterclockwise. So then next one angle clockwise. Okay, so one by one I am just showing you. So then click on this, so then click on vertical text. Okay, so then again click on this, so then rotate text up. So then this one rotate text down. Okay, So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of text orientations. Understood? Any doubts in this? So you'll be having page orientation also. Okay, so you'll be having page orientation also. So now what are the two types of page orientations? What are the two types of page orientations?
Portrait and landscape.
Yeah, very good. Very good. So in this, we are having text orientation now. Okay, text orientation. So angle counterclockwise, clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. Understood? Any doubts, girls? Okay, so next it is about the indent. Okay, so this is increase indent and this is decrease indent. Okay, so the next option is about the increase indent and the decrease indent. So what do you mean by this indent? So indent is nothing but the space. Okay, so indent is nothing but the space. Okay, girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then increase indent. So if I just click on this, so now the indent, so that means the space will be increasing here. So if you just click on this, see, the space will be increasing like this. So and then if you just click on this, so the space will be decreasing. So this is nothing but the decrease indent. Understood? No. So
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
next
could you
can
it
you
is
repeat?
show it
about
again?
ah. So if you just click on this, okay, so click on the particular cell. So and then if you just click on this increase indent, okay, so the space will be increasing here in the left side. Okay, so the space will be increasing here. Okay, so then this is nothing but the decrease indent. So here the space will be decreasing. Okay, like this. Understood? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So next it is about the wrap text option. Okay, so wrap text option. So what I will do is, so next it is about the wrap text option. Okay, wrap text option. So this one is about the indent. Okay, so now this is about the wrap text option. Wrap text. So what is this? Say now, for example, if I just type here in the one cell. Okay, so in one cell, so as NICT computer education. So now it is moving towards E column and F column. Okay, so that one I don't want. Okay, so it has to be fixed or adjusted in only one cell, that is nothing but in the D4 cell only it has to get adjusted. So that's why what I have to do is, so first I have to type this and then I have to select this D4. Okay, so then click on this wrap text here. So now can you see? So everything it has been wrapped, or it will be adjusted in the same cell. Okay, so that is nothing but the wrap text here. So again, if you just click on this, it will be deactivated. Again, if you click on this, it will be
Can you
activated, like,
repeat it again, ma'am? Can you repeat it again?
yeah. Yeah. So now in this cell, so NICT computer education, in only one single cell, if I just type also, so then it is moving towards the next column. So that means in the D6 if I type, so then it is moving towards E6 and the F6 also. Okay, so that one I don't want to get. So it has to be adjusted in the D6 only. Okay, it has to get adjusted in the D6 only. So that's why what I have to do, so the place the cursor in the D6 cell, so and then click on this wrap text here. Okay, so now so everything it will be wrapped, that means it will be adjusted in the same single cell. Okay, so this is about the wrap text option. Wrap text. Okay, the next option is about the merge and center. Okay, so this one is very important, so please write down, girls. Okay, so merge and center option, merge option. Okay, so in this you have four types. So first one, merge and center. Okay, second one, merge across. Okay, third one, merge cells. Fourth one, unmerge cells. Write down, girls. Merge and center, merge across, merge cells and the unmerged cells. Okay, so now what I have to do is, so now I will be showing you the first option. So that means the merge and center, merge and center. Okay, so now what I have to do is, so I will be selecting this cells, these many cells. Okay, so now I'll just click on this corner, so and then I'll click on this merge and center option. So it combines and combines so many cells. Okay, so and then the things will be, I mean the content will be typed, the text will be typed from the center of the particular cell. Okay, so if I just click on this, so see all the rows, columns, everything has been merged, and if I wanted to type something, so it will be typed from the center. Understood?
Once again, can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
repeat it, ma'am?
Ah, So now what you have to do is, so I'll be selecting so many cells. Okay. So then I'll just click on this corner and I will apply the first option, that means merge and center option. Okay, merge and center option. So then all the rows, columns, everything will be merged. Okay, so then if I wanted to type here, so then the text will be typed from the center. Okay, so the text will be typed from the center. So all the rows, columns, everything will be merged and the text will be typed from the center. So that is nothing but the merge and center option. Clear?
Yes.
Ah, so now the second option is about the merge across. Merge across. Okay, so now what I have to do is, so I'll be selecting the cells. So then as usual, just click on the corner and then click on this merge across here. Okay, so now here the columns will be merged but not the rows. Okay, so the rows will not be merged, only the columns will be merged here. Okay, so when we have to use this, say now for example, NICT computer education. Okay, so where it is situated, so it is in Hanmant Nagar and Bangalore. Okay, like this. So you just select this and then you can align this center. Understood no?
Ma'am,
So this is about the merge across.
excuse me.
Yeah, tell me.
Could you repeat again? I didn't get it.
Ah,
Ma'am, how to how to undo the merge, like not with control Z? Is there any other key to undo the merge?
no, I will tell you. So you have an option called as unmerged cells. That one if you do it, so then automatically the options will be unmerged here. I mean the cells will be unmerged here. Okay, so that one I will show you. So merge across I will show you first. So first what you have to do, so you have
Um,
to select this.
ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but how did you get the second line and the third line in the, like previously you had merged and you had given like a this one, right? Like a para, but
Undo.
it was
Undo I have done. Yeah. So undo I have done. So control Z I have used. So to go back. Okay. Any other doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am. Actually, I
Hmm.
couldn't, like, I had some network issues. Can you again repeat it? Like, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. So merge across I'm just doing now. Okay, so what you have to do is, so you have to select the content, I mean the cells, number of cells. So and then you just click on the corner. So and then click on this merge across. Okay, so click on that merge across. So now you just type here. Okay, so now the first one, in the first row I'm just typing here NICT computer education. So and then this one is situated in Hanmant Nagar. Okay, so and then it is in the Bangalore, like this. Understood? So this is about the merge across. So then the third option, so the third option is merge cells. Okay, merge cells. So now this one, what we have to do is, so you just select this cells. So and then you just click on this corner. So and then click on merge cells. Okay, so you just click on this merge cells. So now all the rows, columns, everything, it has been merged. So now you just type here. So now can you see the text is typing from the left side? Okay, so the text, it is appearing from the left side. So that is about the merge and cells. So merge cells, so everything it will be merged, like rows, columns, everything it will be merged, and the text will be typed from the left side. And here in this merge and center, so all the rows, columns, everything it will be merged, and the text will be typed from the center, like that. Understood? So and then if you wanted to unmerge these cells, so again you have to select this. So and again you can click on this corner. So and then click on this unmerge cells. Say now it has been, I got this into the normal. Okay, so this is about the unmerged cells. Understood? Any doubts? Clear?
Oh, ma'am, what's the difference between merge across and merge cells then?
Merge across means, so here the columns will be merged but not the rows. Can you see this? So columns has been merged. Okay,
Right.
so only the columns has been merged here. So the rows has not been merged in the case of merge cells. I mean merge across. So in the case of merge cells, both rows and the columns has been merged, and then the text will be typed from the left side. That means the left alignment will be by default.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so still anybody is having any doubts?
Ma'am, in merge across only what is merged and what isn't merged?
See, now the columns has been merged but not the rows. Can you see the lines between that? So only the columns has been merged here, rows has not been merged. Okay, but here can you see the blank thing? So merge and center, and in the case of merge cells. See, in the case of merge cells, both rows and columns will be merged. But in the case of merge across, only the columns will be merged, not the rows. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So next it is about the last one for today. For today's last option. So that is nothing but format painter. Okay, so format painter. So now what I have to do is, so I'll be clearing each and every format here. So to clear each and every format, so here you have the clear option. So click on this clear option. So and then click on formats, clear formats. Okay, so now the formats will be cleared. Okay, so now this is about the format painter option. Now I am just explaining you about the format painter. Okay, so now here for this one, for this names heading, I will be applying the font color. Okay, so now the font text highlight color also. Okay, so then the font size I'll be increasing. So then I will be changing the font style also. Okay, so then bold, italic and underline also I'll apply. So all the formats I have used here. Okay, so it has been applied for only this names. Okay, not for the scores. Okay, understanding? So now all the formats, it has to be copied and pasted to the particular scores also. Okay, so that is possible with the help of this format painter option. Okay, understanding? Only the formats, that means the color, so bold, italic, underline, font style, font size, everything will be painted. I mean, all the formats will be copied and pasted here. Okay, no need to click on Control C, then Control V, everything. So just to click on this format painter option. Okay, so now click once on the scores. That's all. See, can you make out the change?
Where is the option?
Okay, single click on the format painter. So this is the option. So can you see? It is like a brush. Okay, single click. Format painter can be used only once. Okay, so then double click. Double click means, okay, so format painter can be used multiple times. Okay, so this one I will show you now.
Ma'am,
Have you understood? Yeah, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, can you explain the double click option once again?
Ma'am, we couldn't hear you,
Ah,
ma'am.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, can you
So now
explain
what
the
you,
paint option again?
yeah, a format painter, no. Which one? Which option you want me to explain?
Ma'am, format paint, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So double click is nothing but, so you just select this. Okay, select the, I have selected the names cell because all the formats I have applied here. Okay, so then double click on this. Okay, double click on this format painter option. So then wherever you want, so multiple number of times you can copy the formats. Understood? So
Yes,
again, if
ma'am.
you click on this, so then it will be deactivated. So this is about the double click. So then single click is nothing but, okay, so single click is nothing but, so you just click on this single time, so that means only once. So then it will be applied only once, so then you will not be able to do it once again, like that. So that is about the difference between the single click and double clicking the format painter. Understood, no? Okay, so understood about the today's topics. So we had covered this clipboard group, font group, and the alignment group. Okay, so then in the next class, so you please practice and come. So then tomorrow, let us start with this number group, styles group, and all. Because conditional formatting, number styles, everything is very, very important. Okay, understood about the today's topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Okay. So then tomorrow let us connect at 6:30. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.